these are just a few of the new cartography features in Pro.
Zooming in to the central part of the Sequoia National Forest, I'll enhance this map by adding in the giant sequoia, groves, and trees. The sequoia trees are symbolized by their crown diameter, but with so many points so close together, the smaller trees get lost underneath the larger ones. Using the advanced symbology settings, I can quickly rearrange these symbols with the new feature drawing order, bringing the smaller trees to the top. Yeah. Another new feature that you've all been waiting for is donut and pie charts. Here, the sequoia trees are shown by size, and as I change the map extent, the chart filters the data dynamically. Next, let's update the symbology of the roads layer. If there's a prescribed burn planned between Converse intersection and Camp 19 Road, I can now update the symbology to show a temporary road closure without editing the underlying data. Let me show you how. When I open the symbology properties, there's a new suppress effect turned on. Selecting the road layer, I'll convert the vertices at the start and end of our segment to control points. This tells the layer to suppress the symbology between the points so it cartographically disappears. Alternatively, I can add a second symbol layer to fill in the suppressed segment, showing the temporary road closure. Control point editing is a powerful new cartographic tool that changes the look of the map without editing the geometry or attributes of the data.